Hey, what's up guys? So if you're looking for a modern style entry door handle, so this is the one. Comes all packed up. From this little box with your things that you need. This is the handle itself. Very, very nice. So this one does not have the lock. So this is for like a passage or a closet, stuff like that. Instructions, and this is everything you need to get it all together. Okay, the screws, the insert, so everything you need. Very, very nice quality. Beautiful. Okay guys, so let's put the handle on. So you will need a Phillips. So I do have it on my drill. So you got your handles. Very good quality handles. These are for closets. So basically, you'll put this in first. Make sure you put it the right way. This is the entry, so you make sure it's this way right here. So this will slide in just like this. So you put in the smaller screws. Okay, so that's basically in. You can see right there. Now you take off the little plastic once it's all installed. Okay, so that is the first step. So now we'll continue. Grab your handles. You slide them in. Get you a little close up. So it'll look just like this. Okay. Grab your second part. Will look just like this. Now we'll screw it in. So the screws for this are the ones that are a bit longer. Screw it in. Make sure you put both. Okay, before you tie it up, you'll make sure it's all lined up even. Okay, so basically look just like this. Make sure it works perfectly fine. You can see there, nice. So you do the final step. Final step. Let's put this on. These are a bit old, you can see pretty much beat up. But you put it on just like this. Let me put it on. Okay, so we'll put it in just like this. Now, give it a short, and there you go. Check it out. Perfect. Close, perfect. Handle look beautiful, and we're good to go. Nice.